Hey guys, we're back with another quick assist video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to rename your iPhone. So in case you purchased this iPhone from someone else or you just want to rename it, all you have to do is go to settings. Once we go to settings, we're going to want to go to general. Then we're going to go to about. And then on the top, you'll see the name. So go ahead and click that. And once you get here, then you can just go ahead and name it whatever you want. So I'll just go ahead and put my new name. And then I'll call it Nikki's Pixel, even though this is an iPhone, just because I want to. So, okay, after you do that, then just push the check mark, and now this will be called Nikki's Pixel. Oops, it's Nikki L's. But anyways, you get the point. So once again, all you have to do is go to settings, go to general, from general go to about. You'll see name on top. Go ahead and click that and then retype the name. All right, so I hope that helps, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.